The Ministry of Education now wants the university's councils to be responsible for the appointment of vice-chancellors. Education Cabinet Secretary Professor George Magoha says the statute law Miscellaneous Amendment Act of 2018 signed into law in 2019, which took away the powers from the councils to the Public Service Commission to advertise, interview and recommend for appointment top managers at the universities, will be revealed.
Education Cabinet Secretary Professor George Magoha says plans are underway to enable university councils to conduct interviews for vice-chancellors, then forward the names for consensus before making the appointments.
The law as is now bars the council from any direct participation in the interview. I've already, I'm in the process of changing that law to empower the various councils to be the ones to conduct the interviews and then forward the names for concurrence, then they appoint one after concurrence.
Magoha made the sentiments when he paid a courtesy call at the Masinde Muliro University of Science and Technology, whose leadership is currently under acting capacity, after a standoff on the interview process that is currently in court.
So the way it is now, it looks like the process that was that is in the courts is there. Until that person who went to court goes and withdraws it, it's like this excellent university will continue to wallow under acting leadership. It is because of this, let me say, not very interesting politics around this area. This is a university, it's not a political party.
For the process to be achieved, the Statute Law Miscellaneous Amendment Act of 2018 must be repealed and have the powers moved from the Public Service Commission to the university's councils. Professor Magoha also toured Bungoma DEB Primary School that has a population of over 3,000 pupils, where he warned heads of primary schools against leaving pupils from poor backgrounds.
I've been to many other schools, but the ones that make me not sleep are the ones that are as large as this, knowing very well that's quite a sizable number of children who come here must be coming from very poor background. They shall not be and they must not be levied.
The school hosts about 100 pupils per class and will have 6 additional classrooms before the tentative January 2021 reopening date. Kamchemenza for Channel 1 News.